it brings a follow-up question about the show and tell. So now you know this, we have the workshop contents and we have the student show and tell we share. As a student, where do you should focus? Should you focus like watch the people like the show and tell and become a DevOps engineer, or you should focus on the workshop?
I remember I used to focus on show and tells. That doesn't work out. That is what you have to do is you have to primarily put your main focus on the workshop. And then after you're fully satisfied, content with the workshop, then you go on to the show and tell. If you just watch, if you're like, I'm gonna skip the workshop, it's too long, it's 2 or 3 hours, I don't got time for that. But then you watch a 40-minute show and tell, you're not gonna be ready. The show and tell is very sped up version, kind of, like a show and tell is perfect for after you watch the workshop. Show and tell is like a summary of the workshop. But if you won't even understand the show and tell if you don't watch the workshop. You only understand the show and tell after you watch the workshop. So it's like a perfect 1-2 punch. Like after you watch the workshop, you might forget something, but here's my little summary, here's my reminder of the show and tell. So those two things go hand to hand, and the students know exactly what I'm talking about. After you watch a workshop and after you watch the show and tell, everything. Like after you watch a workshop, it can be a little fuzzy, you might forget. But after each time I watched the show and tell, I would, remember everything. But I remember one time I didn't watch a workshop, but I watched the show and tell. I was like, what the hell is going on? I was like, yo, I'm so lost. I'm so confused. I was stressing. I didn't know what to do. Then when I went to go watch the workshop, everything clicked. So take it from me, don't do that.
Good. No, I agree with you.